This is the orange. I'm trying to mix the orange. And this is the lemon. I need to mix it together. Yeah. Yeah. This is a more easy remedy for cough. It's so good for the family, mostly during winter season. If your children is complaining of cough or even catarrh, it also can help because with this, you don't even need any medication to cure your cough. You don't need it. Just get your orange, your lemon, and your honey. This is my hot water here. I just need to allow it to boil a bit so that you can see how it looks like. Just a little hot water. It goes. Okay, now the orange is already here. The lemon is already here. I'm just using half because I'm trying to show you guys um, a lot of people something that they don't know. 1 teaspoon of honey. 1 teaspoon of honey goes. And I don't mind me because of this thing I'm using. So I just have to mix it. When I mix it, yeah. Look at my hot water. Also, there is another one you can use, apple cider vinegar. It looks like juicy. And honestly, children love it. Children, they love it. They can't resist this. Always, because if it is sweet, it's sweet. And it have a little bit sour taste because of the lemon. But I promise you, your children will love it. And you don't need any medication because of too much medication is not good for the children. So with this winter cold season, you can take this for adults, for your husband, for your wife, for your children, also for your boyfriend. You can take it. It's good. The water is not that hot because the lemon already is cold. It's from fridge. So compare with the water, with the hot water, it's just a little bit warm. And your children are going to like it. Try it and thank me later.